The Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade has confirmed it's providing consular assistance to Australian man Lamar Aaron, who's been detained in Bali on drug charges. The 43-year-old is potentially facing the death penalty if found guilty of smuggling 1.8 kilos of cocaine into Indonesia, estimated to be worth more than $1 million Australian dollars. Indonesian law expert Tim Lindsay says the severity of a drug smuggling sentence in Indonesia depends on a range of factors.
Well, if the allegations against him are true, they're very serious charges. There's no question that cocaine, and in particular cocaine of that amount, would attract the maximum penalty available, which of course is the death penalty. There are alternatives, of course. The death penalty is not mandatory in Indonesia. The judge would have the option of imposing death or a life imprisonment or a period of imprisonment of up to 20 years. Which of those options a judge would choose would depend on the facts that come before the court. For example, if the court took the view that the accused person was a ringleader, then the recent history of how the courts behave in these sorts of cases suggests that they might well impose the death penalty. If the defence argues, however, that the accused person is not a ringleader but a mule or someone way down the line in terms of the organisation of the offence, then the courts might be open to a term of imprisonment or life, depending on the level of involvement. But that's what we know from recent similar cases in Indonesia and how the judges treat them. Ringleaders are punished with particular severity, but there's an increasing willingness to be a little more lenient to people who play a less important role in the offence.